sound test on that one when this one's back on the road, and we'll do a sound test with this one with the sound deadening. So off AliExpress we've got a sound deadening sheet. It's got an aluminium backing with a sticky rubber back that we're going to install on the inside of the door. So we're going to remove this plastic cover. We're going to keep it intact as best as we can, and we're going to put it back on. But this is going to go on the inside of the door against the steel. So anyone who's ever pulled a door trim off knows that this black stuff is sticky as anything, and generally stays sticky for years. So if I do this nice and gently, this plastic will literally be able to stick straight back on without having to use any additional glue. And if I'm really gentle, I won't change the shape of it either. Just a matter of following down along it nice and gently. So if you're in the States, you'd be using an X-Acto knife. In Australia we use Stanley knives, craft knives. Whatever country you're from, you call these little razor knives different things. Ask my partner, kind of going a bit overboard. Yeah, probably am, but we're going to use a bit of, in this case, peso. Because the product we're using is a sticky back, works really well. So it is going to be stuck in there with its own adhesive. From, you know, spraying a surface that I'm going to paint to doing this, never had any issues, so I like this. Alright, now, fun part, no exact measurements, so we're going to go with hand measurements. We're going to measure up on the inside of the door. Of course, the fun part is in behind the door. We haven't removed the film off the back yet, because we want to bring it in behind everything